Writer and journalist Aruna Ravikumar was in Chandigarh today to release her book on Marauders of Hope. The book is all about the MLM scams and the MLM companies' frauds. It is all about the victims of the MLM company frauds and their aspirations. Let us know more about this book from Aruna Ravikumar herself.
Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Aruna Ravikumar, and I'm a journalist from Hyderabad. I've been with the print media and for a long period in the electronic media. I was started with ETV, started my career with ETV. So I've been with the print and electronic media for over 3 decades now. And it's a great pleasure to be coming to Chandigarh because I've heard that people are very literate here and they are very aware and they like to read up about issues. That's the reason I've taken the trouble to come here. About this book, Marauders of Hope. This came about as part of my discussion in the electronic media. I used to anchor a program on current affairs, and one of the topics that came up during this discussion was related to multi-level marketing. So उसमें क्या है, we had victims, we had one representative from the marketing companies, and then we had an NGO. And in the course of the discussion, I realized that this was a huge problem. People are talking about bank scams, they're talking about other scams, but no one has given a thought to something that impacts every section of society. These people, these companies that entered India post-liberalization, multinational companies, in the name of direct selling. So what they do is they are operating Ponzi and pyramid schemes. They are just using products as a cover, and they are nothing but naked money circulation schemes, which are illegal and banned in our country as per the PCMCS Act 1978, Price Chits and Money Circulation Schemes Act 1978. So these illegal schemes, when they entered, they said we are going to do direct selling, so we don't have a network of distributors, we will just sell to our people, and they camouflaged the real purpose. I discovered during the course of my discussion that there were millions of victims across the globe, not just in India. And pata nahi, I don't know if a study was made before giving them permission to enter our country, but at the point of time when India opened up in the name of liberalization, these companies came, when we're talking about FDI and all, they entered Indian shores. But they have been conducting courses which are a mathematical impossibility. ये schemes में क्या है? You have to recruit.
Please carry on, continue.
You have to recruit, each person is asked to recruit 2 others or 3 others. They have many schemes, binary scheme, 634 schemes, various companies. You have companies like Amway, Herbalife, Forever Living Products, Oriflame. They're all in the MLM model. Yeah. So what I realized is the loot was to the extent of 7 lakh crores in the last 2 decades, and more. It could be more. This is what is, and every day you're hearing about new schemes. Recently in Bangalore, the IMA scheme was busted. Every day there is one scheme. In Hyderabad, there's a lady called Novera Sheikh, who has amassed huge wealth.
Yeah.
So they've attached her properties worth 400 crores alone, her properties alone. And they impact every aspect of life, and they're also impacting national security at one level. I believe they are funding other, anti-national groups also, because they have that kind of money, and they are receiving political patronage. The fact that they are continuing despite being an illegal scheme shows that there is a big nexus, and they are able to pay off. They are able to pay off governments. They are able to make huge amounts of money, and the money that they make comes only from recruitment. So if recruitment say they get their profits, and then there's a parallel scheme where they sell motivational tapes. Those who enroll as distributors, they have to buy motivational tapes. They have to listen to all their, brainwashing about how to speak to people, how to convince people, and they adopt cult-like techniques. Because they make people dependent on them. उनको लगता है you share your family problems, and they'll make an emotional pitch at their meetings. They'll say they'll give the name of the company and say let's grow together. We are one big family. So इतना emotional attachment they create, And I realized when I was researching on these MLMs.
Simple word is the basic fundamental of this. We can say simple words.
No.
Sympathetic words actually.
Yeah.
He wants to say that actually they get.
Yes. They
That emotional that
exactly. They want them to become dependent on them. They start sharing their family problems also.
Yeah, that's what.
My book deals with the modus operandi, how they operate, how they use these marketing techniques. Yes, sir, sweetly they mesmerize you. They use something like there's something called the boiling frog syndrome. When you put a frog in boiling water, it jumps out immediately. उसको पता चलता है because water is so hot. But when you put it in lukewarm water, it feels very comfortable, and you gradually increase the temperature. The frog gets cooked in the water without realizing.
See what you wrote in this book, I saw it's a most sensitive subject.
Yes.
You wrote all the true incidents.
Yes.
There's no fictitious, na?
Yes.
What do you think it's possible to do all these type of things without the consent of our bureaucracy, our system, or corruption must be there? What do you like to say?
That's right.
Yes, because the system is allowing such things to happen, right?
Yeah.
So have you mentioned
So,
it in your
so
book?
yeah, I have mentioned. See, this book has a modus operandi. I was coming to it. How all these things began, how these companies entered India, and how not only foreign companies but Indian companies are also inspired. Naturally, पैसे बना रहे तो हम भी बना सकते हैं. They also get this idea. We also do these multi-level marketing scams, and this is growing on and on and on. New variants, and they are selling everything from health products to beds to gold coins to insurance to real estate. They are involved in everything.
The new thing is Bitcoin also.
Bitcoin is there now. You are getting newer methods. So yeah, now you are aware of PACL. You have and Andhra में तो agri gold है. So they are selling plots. It's impossible. The scheme is a mathematical impossibility because if it has to work, only people at the top of the pyramid make the money.
Yeah.
As it goes down, it becomes so vast that people cannot make money. It's impossible. But they tell them that if you work hard, you will make money. And that is why I call it marauders of hope. Because these people are nothing but looters or dacoits or whatever name you can use. Marauding people who are just do a little hard work and then you make this money and you can become so rich. You cannot imagine when in your employment to make that kind of money. So they are playing on the greed of people. They are luring people, and most of them are students, housewives, doctors, lawyers, people literate, illiterate across all classes. Needs to be addressed, and I have spoken about victim narratives. You have pointed out in the book. I have spoken about victims who've lost all. They have sold car wash in villages where there are no cars.
Yeah.
In interior villages.
Yeah.
So they're looting people, and some people have committed suicide, they've committed murder, some people have put pressure on their parents to give the scientist from Hyderabad, a very eminent scientist from a central government organization. His sons were pestering him, keep pension, cause whatever he's got, give me all your benefits. Because they were losing money in one of the schemes, one of the multinational companies, and they were not willing to accept that they have made a mistake. जैसे होता है ना, गलत काम करते हैं, you know you're losing money, but you don't want to accept that the scheme is fraudulent.
When they are actually nexus actually, so you're not afraid of.
I'm not afraid because I have not cooked up anything. I have just put.
everything. You
I have
mentioned
put.
the names
The
also.
real things.
Yes,
Have you mentioned the name also?
I have mentioned the names of certain companies, how they entered India. But I have mentioned the modus operandi.
If there are some specific years that you have mentioned in your book that the scam which has happened earlier in the history, that these were the specific years when it happened.
It was not. See, I told you post-liberalization they entered, and scams kept happening and happening and happening. But if you see in my book, there is a chapter about people who have acted. Precedents in the path, it's called. If you read that, you will know about police officers who have acted within the powers vested in them. The fun here is it's a central legislation, but it has to be implemented by state governments. So what happens is passing the buck. Everybody thinks, मैं क्यों करूँ? Let the other agency do it.
In Hyderabad, when you launched the book,
Yeah.
the chief guest was from
Niti Ayog, Mr. V.K. Saraswati. Yes.
So corporation and politics always have some kind of relation.
Yes.
And inviting them as a chief guest, is it questioning the supposition of the things on the opposition, on the Congress or any other party?
So this is across parties because all parties are involved in this. If you see, if it's been around for 2 decades, 25 years. So obviously everybody has been supporting it. It's not just one political party. And the reason I wanted to talk about it is it's twofold, the purpose of this book. One is to bring awareness on the part of victims. Ki victims mat bano. When I was telling people that I was writing about this book, many of them, many socialites whom I met, they said, wow, okay, people are paying for their greed. किसने बोला जाके डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर बनने को, आप खुद जा रहे हो. So they are saying you have gone on your own, you are paying for your greed. But they didn't see the inducement, the deception, the peer pressure. When you say the neighbor is making so much money, simple scheme hai, so it's normal for people to get attracted, right?
The people who have already been arrested,
हाँ.
are they out of the jail now actually? Anup
Yes.
Gupta is one of them actually. That work अभी recently हुआ है.
Yes, yes.
That work का आपको भी पता होगा कि अभी ज़्यादा
पता है, लोग अरेस्ट होते हैं, निकल जाते
उनका
हैं.
क्या they make out of it actually?
Forget Anubhav Gupta. William Pickney, CEO of Amway, was arrested in our country.
Okay.
First in Kerala, and then in Telangana.
Then
And this is, see, police officers have worked. They have found that it's violating the scheme. It's an illegal scheme. They have worked within their capacity. But क्या हुआ? Nothing is happening because they're able to. They're a big lobby. The IDSA is a very powerful lobby. They lobby with the central government, and they are the first ones to react. If our budget is out, first reaction you get from these direct selling association. बढ़िया budget है, and make in India. They'll say we are doing make in India. We are doing everything. But the uplines are sitting outside India. The money is going outside India.
तो ये तो था कि आपने बताया कि कैसे मतलब frauds हैं.
है.
What is like?
I have also given the corrective action. This is not, I don't want it to be a book about victims, Rona Dhona, and then nothing happens. There is no point. There is no point in writing about something.
There is a way of hope also.
There is hope. There is hope. Only what is required is little political will, and we need the book to reach out to a lot of people. The reason why I am coming across to remote, yesterday I was in Jaipur, today I am here, tomorrow I am going to Dehradun. I want to speak to people, I want to tell them that look, this is what is happening, please be aware, don't become victims, at least you can arrest future victims.
लोगों ने पता है कि big fishes don't get caught actually. तो
Yeah.
Who will case? Who will do?
Who will bell the cat? Exactly, that's the question I asked. I want the government to act. Obviously, the government has to act. Anything has to happen in the country, it has to come from the government. So twofold. One is people should put pressure. There should be awareness among the people. These are fraudulent companies. So the first step is to create awareness among the people. Ultimately, if we all are able to put pressure on the government should come out with a policy. They should arrest. They should see that such things don't happen in future.
And the second thing is, there is always a question on perceivement, how people perceive the things.
Yes.
So this is in English. So have you?
Yeah, this demand has been coming ever since the book release. कल भी पूछ रहे थे. You must translate it into all regional languages.
Yeah,
So
because
yeah,
not
yeah,
everybody
Hindi mein.
out there understands.
True. We are planning to bring it out in other languages too,
And
Hindi.
if are you planning to see, like you have unleashed number of scams in it.
Yeah.
So have you? Are you in talks with some kind of movie makers or some kind of stuff?
I have, if you see the film which I'll be showing you, there's an 8-minute film which we made. I have spoken to a couple of celebrities who all endorsed. They all came out and on their own, and they spoke about the book, and I'm very grateful to them because. Because you know what happened, many of these fraudulent schemes were endorsed by celebrities. The QNet scam also, Mr. Michael Ferreira was involved, and he had won laurels for the country, but because of involvement of this, led to his arrest, and then he had to come out. So a lot of celebrities also are involved in many of these schemes because they find these companies have the money. They also do charity for government, they donate. So on the face of it, they look like they are very powerful companies. They're out, they want the development of the country, but on one level, they are ruining the social fabric. Because once you become a distributor, you recruit your own friends and family. You start selling to your family and friends.
Don't you think it's a tumor actually spreading day by day?
Which one?
It's a tumor actually.
Yes, it is a tumor. The antidote is to bring awareness. And this book is a step to bring awareness. We want to bring awareness among people.
Which of the MLM companies actually just